Here is conversation number 15, describing the scene. Learn how to describe places, objects and actions in a scene while conversation. यानी किसी मंजरनामे को बयान करना कि किसी मंजर में क्या चीज़ हो रही है, क्या हो रहा है, लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, मौसम कैसा है, क्या क्या चीज़ें आसपास हैं. So this is called describing the scene. What is describing a scene? Describing a scene means explaining what you see around you by using present tenses. यानी जब हम किसी सीन को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे होते हैं, किसी पिक्चर को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे होते हैं, तो हम यूजुअली प्रेजेंट टेंस का यूज़ करते हैं. Key vocabulary we use for describing a scene: crowded, quiet, bright, dark. They are called describing words. Near, far, next to, behind. They are prepositions. Smiling, running, sitting. These are doing words. Sentence structures: I can see, there is, there are, in the background, in the middle of the scene. Now follow some examples. Number 1. What is happening in this picture? The people are buying vegetables and fruits. What is happening here? 4 customers are queuing at the desk in a bank. And what does this picture show? 3 people are crossing the road. What is happening here? It is a restaurant. People are busy eating and chatting with each other. What do you see in the park? I see children playing and a woman reading a book on a bench. How is the weather? It's bright and sunny. Now practice a conversation here. A scene of a playground. Look at the playground. The children seem to be having so much fun. Yes, especially the girl in the middle. She's swinging really high and looks excited. I also noticed the kids on the other swings. They are laughing and chatting while they swing. On the left side, there is a girl pushing another swing. She looks like she is enjoying helping her friend. And on the right, 2 younger kids are swinging too. One of them looks a little shy but is still happy. The whole place feels full of energy. The bright colors of the swing set make it look even more cheerful. The weather is perfect for playing. Clear skies and fresh air. Yes, and the greenery in the background makes the scene feel peaceful. I love how everyone is enjoying and doing the moment together. It's a wonderful example of how children connect and have fun outdoors. That's all. Thank you.